In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to emails in Apple Mail. This simple guide will walk you through attaching files, whether you're using an iPhone or iPad, ensuring that you can easily and efficiently include important documents, photos, or videos in your emails. To start, you'll want to open the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad. The Mail app is your gateway to creating, sending, and managing your emails with ease. Look for the familiar envelope icon on your device's home screen. Once you have your Mail app open, you're ready to compose a new email. Do this by tapping the Compose button, which is represented by a pencil icon. You'll find this usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen, waiting for you to initiate a fresh email draft. Now it's time to attach files. Depending on what you need to add to your email, you have a couple of options. If your attachments are documents, begin by tapping the body of your email where you want the attachment to be. Next, tap the Add Attachment button. This is typically shown as a paperclip icon, a recognizable symbol for attachments that you'll find near the keyboard area. If you prefer adding photos or videos instead, look for the Insert Photo or Video option. This is a handy feature when you want to share memorable moments or essential media. If your files reside in the Files app, selecting Add Attachment allows you to browse through your stored documents easily. Navigate through your folders, locate the desired file, and select it to attach to your email. For images or videos that you wish to attach, you'll need to tap and hold within the body of your email until you see an option menu pop up. Select Insert Photo or Video to access your Photos app. From here, choose the perfect picture or video that complements your email content. Once your files are attached and your email is ready to be sent, it's time for the final step, sending your email. Simply tap the Send button located in the top right corner of your screen. With a quick tap, your email embarks on its journey to the recipient, complete with all the documents, photos, or videos you've chosen to share, and there you have it. Attaching files to your emails in Apple Mail is straightforward once you know these steps. Whether you're sending an important document, cherished photo, or a quick video message, you're now equipped with the know-how to do it all straight from your iPhone or iPad. Happy emailing!